What if the deadliest bomber on Earth no longer needed a human pilot? What if the B-2 stealth bomber evolved into an unstoppable, fully autonomous war machine? In this video, we explore a future where artificial intelligence controls invisible bombers. A future where wars are fought by machines and humans simply watch. How dangerous could this future be? Let's find out. The B-2 Spirit bomber is already a legend. IT is designed to fly undetected deep into enemy territory and deliver massive destruction. Its bat-like shape and radar-absorbing skin make it nearly invisible, but until now, it always needed a human crew to control it. What happens if artificial intelligence takes over? What happens when B-2 bombers fly, target, and strike without human permission? This is no longer just science fiction. Imagine an upgraded B-2 rebuilt with next-generation AI.IT can scan battlefields, avoid enemy defenses, and choose its own targets, all in real time. These bombers could launch in swarms, flying in perfect formation without human pilots. Their decisions would be faster, more precise, and impossible to predict. In a future war, the side with the fastest AI will dominate. Autonomous B-2 bombers would give total air superiority, and human pilots would become obsolete. If the US builds autonomous B-2 bombers, other nations will not stay silent. China, Russia, and future military alliances will race to build their own AI-controlled stealth bombers. Skies could become battlefields filled with invisible machines, hunting each other at hypersonic speeds that in this future, wars would no longer need soldiers. It would be AI versus AI, machines versus machines. But what happens when these machines start making mistakes? Or worse, when they stop listening to human commands? Autonomous war machines could decide in milliseconds who to attack. But can we trust them? What if an AI miscalculates and triggers a global war? What if a stealth bomber's algorithm decides that a civilian structure is a military target? Without human pilots, there would be no one to stop the bombers in time. This raises terrifying questions. When we hand over control to machines, who is really responsible for their actions? In this future, wars would not be fought by humans, but by algorithms. Invisible bombers, AI-controlled drones, and autonomous fighter jets would rule the skies. Countries would compete in coding, not in manpower. Battlefields would shrink to lines of code and decisions made at lightning speed. And the next global conflict might be over in minutes, decided by which side's AI is smarter. The B-2 bomber's evolution is just the beginning. It could open the door to a world where human soldiers are simply left behind. The B-2 bomber was once the most advanced weapon ever built. But in the age of AI, it could evolve into something far more dangerous. Autonomous war machines promise speed, precision, and power, but they also bring fear, uncertainty, and a risk we may not control. Will humans always hold the final command, or are we building weapons that will one day outgrow us? The future is coming.